Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to this video. Last week I had the pleasure of attending the Intel Future Showcase, which essentially was Intel showing off some of their future products and technologies that are going to be affecting us in the next few months or years. Now the first thing, and arguably the most interesting thing, was the new wireless charging. Wireless charging is nothing new, but the new Intel tech is using something called A4WP. Now the thing that's good about this is that it essentially enables you to get more power to your device. Now by getting more power to your device, it means you'll be able to charge devices quicker, but you'll be able to charge devices that you wouldn't otherwise be able to. In this case, we're charging a laptop with 20 watts of power, and this is something that the other techs just aren't capable of doing right now. Now some of the other cool stuff that we saw was this new camera tech. Now this new camera tech is going to be available for a wide variety of products. So here we see a self-navigating drone that can fly itself. These are operated with a few different cameras. Some use lasers, some use standard cameras, but they essentially map their surroundings so that they can be processed by an Intel Edison Computer chip, and then it can fly itself. Now this technology can also be used in things like laptops for face tracking, arm tracking, and can essentially be used for a whole array of applications. We're not entirely sure how this is going to affect us in the next few years, but I'm pretty excited to see what this tech is capable of, because it's the applications that will take it from a gimmick to something useful. Now the Edison Computer is essentially a computer on a very, very small chip, and it can be used in a range of devices that can create stuff that you just otherwise wouldn't be able to do. Now the cool thing that we're seeing here is some new 3D mapping technology, but it's going to be used in the home. Now this technology could essentially track you around the home, so if you walk into a room, then you can actually see the lights turn on, or you can see the television turn off for power when you leave the room. And it's cool stuff like this that I'm quite excited to see where it's going to go, because right now it's only in a sort of baby phase. There's definitely technologies like this that are out there and that are coming out, but before it actually becomes mainstream, it's got to obviously do something very useful. And the only way is forward, so it's pretty exciting to see where that's all going to go. Other uses for the Intel RealSense technology, which was the thing that will power those self-driving drones and laptops, because it's all about the camera technology and how the computer will process that data. You can also do the standard stuff like create 3D models and then print them with a 3D printer, but you can also do a lot of other cool stuff as well. They had a pretty useful demo where you can simply get a tablet, aim it at a box, and it will tell you the exact dimensions down to a couple of millimeters. Which is very cool, and it means you won't need to be reaching for the tape measure anytime soon. But just a whole host of applications, all powered by this Intel RealSense technology, means there are going to be a lot of pretty cool applications coming out very soon, especially if it gets widespread support. There are a few out now, like the HP Sprout, so this again uses the Intel RealSense technology. It's not perfect, it definitely has a way to go. It didn't manage to scan all the objects, and it can't scan see-through or black objects, but it didn't do a brilliant job of pretty much anything I threw at it, to be perfectly honest. But it's very early days, and I'm definitely excited to see where all this stuff goes. So thank you so much for watching this video though. It was a pleasure to attend this event, and like I say, I'm really looking forward to seeing what the future holds, not just for Intel, but for all of these technologies. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought of these technologies, especially the wireless charging that is going to hopefully change the way we charge our devices. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, comment on the video, and I will see you in the next video.